This is the beautiful thing about Redbubble. This guy will be selling these t-shirts. I guarantee this guy is selling some of these t-shirts. I want to message him just to ask him, just to prove to you guys about what I'm talking about. Hey guys, what is up? Hamish here from Income Stream Surfers, coming at you with a follow-up from my video the other day of using search operators to find low competition keywords. And this video is going to be using those search operators to find low competition keywords with good searches every month. There is one thing you need for this strategy, and that is logic, okay? I'm not here to spoon feed you a million tags. I'm here to show you how to get those tags yourself. And in this video, you're going to learn how to do it. If you want to do this strategy perfectly, flawlessly, without any kind of wasted time, you're going to need something like SEMrush or Ahrefs, but it's perfectly possible just using logic and good kind of thinking about things. So we're going to start with Google Trends, and I'm going to go through here. Fortnite is incredibly popular, obviously. Guys, be careful for copyright. So what is the difference between this strategy and the strategy I did the other day? It's very simple. I'm going to write intitle, and then I'm going to write Fortnite. And then I am going to have a look through here. I did do this before, and I did find slurp juice. Just to speed things up a little bit, guys, I did find this from the method that you just saw. But yeah, I found this keyword, and it only has 7 results, guys. 7 results, okay? Then I go on here, and I go on, let me just, oh, hang on. Let me just start again on from the beginning on SEMrush, because I don't know how to get to that. Okay, so we type in Fortnite slurp juice here, and yeah, let's see, 1.3 thousand a month. Okay, globally 2,000 a month. And although Redbubble doesn't appear on the first page of the SERP, the search engine results page, does it appear on the second? No. But if you put the word sticker, for example, then it should be first. So wait, hang on. Yeah, Redbubble is first. If you put the word mug, Redbubble is third. Click on here just to check. Only 15 results, okay? You can easily do a design like this one, and you will instantly be appearing at the top of the search engine result page on Google for a term that has a decent amount of searches every month, okay? So that's Google Trends, but I prefer using something like Exploding Topics because it is more built towards people doing this kind of thing. So put it on 1 month, and let's stick it on lifestyle, see what we get. Control F, exploding. So mental well-being, that's an interesting one. Let's have a look. Mental well-being. Hamish from the future editing this video, I realized that I wrote metal well-being instead of mental. This is the search result for mental well-being. 1,296 results. Not interesting to us. Let's move on. I'm not a robot, Google, please. Okay, nothing. Maybe if I put 100 here. Nope, still nothing. No problem. I mean, that means you could make a design about mental well-being, just so you know. Doesn't mean that it's not a good one. It just means that it's yet to be created, kind of thing. Just looking through these. Screen fatigue, no. Balloon garland. Balloon garland. That's not going to come up with anything. Balloon arch. Very interesting. This is not something that's particularly difficult to make. Hang on. Okay, look, guys, this is something I would have never found without using logic, okay? I'm going to hazard a guess and say that balloon arch... Is this going to have anything? Probably not. No, it doesn't. That doesn't mean it doesn't have results, okay? It just means that they're not appearing, that it doesn't have it in its API at the moment. I'm going to put this back onto 10 because I like very niche things. Let's change to a different topic. So let's go with technology. Ethereum, that's an interesting one. Ethereum, I hope I spelled that right. Okay, look, this is not copyright, I'm pretty sure, but again, please check. I'm not here to tell you, I'm not a lawyer, I'm not here to tell you what is and isn't copyright. Okay, NA, but that doesn't mean it doesn't actually appear. Let's see what happens if I go on Google, type it in, Redbubble, doesn't appear. Doesn't mean it won't appear as well, guys. You got to remember that, like, if you know how SEO works, you'll know that things jump around all the time on the search engine result page. There we go, page, I don't know what page this is, page 3. Doesn't mean it's a dead topic, just means that it'll be harder to find. 21 results, there you go. Let's keep going. Robinhood. Telegram, there'll probably be something there if you wanted. Technology is not a good one because everything's copyright. Let's go with food. Did I already do food? No, don't think so. This could be a good one. Let's go exploding. HelloFresh. Oh, I did do food already, maybe. Exploding. Magic spoon. Dripping cake. Dripping cake. Okay, dripping donut. It's not really the same thing, but only 81, so you know that's not bad. Let's type in dripping donut on this. Any results? 1K results, very interesting. Redbubble does not appear on the front page, unfortunately, but it does appear on the second. And guess what? Once it's appearing on the second, soon enough, it will start appearing on the first. Okay? Redbubble has fantastic SEO. It's one of the best websites. It's actually 900th in the world for SEO. So that I would put my money on this appearing on the first page fairly soon. Let's say you get 1% of that traffic, or even eventually it'll get about 10% of traffic if it moves onto the first page. That's 100 a month. Let's say 10% of those are buyers. That's 10 per month. And let's say you get 2 or 3 of them. Okay, they're pretty conservative numbers, but if you replicate this enough times, you will eventually start selling 2 or 3 products every month. Okay. I want to try and find one more. Gummies. It's a good one. Gummies. Gummies metal print. Interesting. Oh, that's a lot of results. Why does it have that many results? Why are you appearing on my search? What is going on? Oh, okay, because there were no results, so it got rid of the inverted commas. Okay, peach gummy stickers. So let's type in peach gummies onto. This is probably not going to appear because of search intent. 1.6 thousand, pretty good. Redbubble. No, let's put the word stickers. Redbubble will be first, but this will then go to 0 or 0. It's not actually 0. Okay, I'm guessing Redbubble's first. Yes, it is. Okay, guys, I hope that this helps you out a little bit. Fortnite slurp juice is a great one, guys. You can steal that one. I would make a design about that as soon as possible. I am going to stop the video there, but basically what you do is you go on Exploding Topics or Google Trends, you find something that feels decent, and then you just search for it on Google. If Redbubble is on the first page, just make a design, okay? The amount of people who are searching every month can be checked with a tool like SEMrush, but if you don't have SEMrush already, it's probably not worth it. It's probably worth just making more designs rather than just making designs for things that SEMrush says has a lot of searches. Okay, hope that makes sense. I use SEMrush because I have it. It's a very good tool. If you want it, you should get it. It's definitely worth the money if you're trying to really go for this. I'm just going to do one more because I actually really enjoy this. I don't even know what this means. What is this? That seems like it'll be copyrighted. Let me just very quickly, because this could be golden. No idea. Is Redbubble on the first page? If Redbubble's on the first page, this is nuts. Nah, it's not, unfortunately. Let's just put the word sticker. This will get rid of all the volume, unfortunately. But that doesn't mean, guys, that doesn't mean that nobody is searching for it, okay? I'll tell you a secret. SEMrush is not perfect. Use your brains. Look, third place. Are you telling me that 0 out of 5.4 thousand people are looking for a Monk Gaiazzo sticker? 0. Absolutely no way. I would say 10%, 5% want some kind of design for their wall, a wall design, whatever it might be, and they will eventually put a word here that you can jump on, and Redbubble will appear, okay? Look at this, Bizarro23, he's on it already. Let's put t-shirt. Guys, look at this. This is the beautiful thing about Redbubble. This guy will be selling these t-shirts. I guarantee this guy is selling some of these t-shirts. I want to message him just to ask him, just to prove to you guys about what I'm talking about. This guy has sold at least one of these t-shirts, I promise you, okay? He's made decent money. I reckon he's selling a few. Don't copy his design and check if this is copyright. Obviously, it might be copyright. So, Exploding Topics into using the intitle here. You can put anything here, guys. You don't even need to use Exploding Topics. You can just write the word football. Everybody loves football. Well, everybody. I don't. There you go. 40 results. This one is looking pretty positive. You could write milk. Doesn't matter. You don't need Exploding Topics for this, okay? Believe me. You can just write anything here. I don't even know. Just anything. Table. Just honestly, guys, use your brains. Like, just search for anything in title and you will find some gold. I promise you. Check the gold on SEMrush if you have it. If you don't, just make a design if you think that people are searching for it, or use Exploding Topics, okay? Really hope that helps, guys. I'm really excited about this video. I feel like it's offering a lot of value. If you enjoyed the video, if you use this technique, or if you just want to support me, please like, comment, subscribe, notifications, all that good stuff. I'm trying to release videos every day to help you make money online. I've got some more Fiverr videos coming. I've got some orders on Fiverr, and we're looking pretty positive right now, guys. I think if there's one takeaway from this, I'm really sorry, Bizarro23, I would make a Monk Gaiazzo t-shirt, guys. Okay? There's only 4 results. You can sell some of these. I promise you. All right. Peace out, guys. Have a good day. Have a good night. Whatever. See you later. See you in the next one. See you tomorrow, in fact.